you're starting to figure it out, huh? Honor your oath, honor your oath, honor your oath, honor your oath.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's story features Solo Yacker from the Armed Fisherman channel, who on June 14th of 2021 was open carrying on his way to a fishing spot in Clearwater Beach. He carried a Gadsden flag, a fishing pole, a Glock 23, a concealed SIG P938, and an AR pistol, commonly mistaken as an AR-15 rifle. As he walked through the crowded beach, several people greeted him and somewhat cheered on what he was doing.
How you doing?
I like that, it's kind of like a protest and like...
It's not a protest.
No, I know, but it's like, I don't give a fuck.
Hey, it's like, hey, just respect my constitutional rights.
I'm all about it, man.
Yeah, man. God bless America.
That's right, yeah, right.
Lifeguard Bradford attempted to speak to Solo, but he didn't want to answer questions, so the lifeguard called for a Clearwater Police response.
What's up? How y'all doing? What up, dude? Yeah, I'm good, dude. I don't want to talk to you.
Clearwater, no rescue. Gulfview Boulevard South and Hamden Drive for a male walking with an American flag and a assault-style rifle around him.
In Florida, there is not a permit to open carry a weapon. Permits are exclusively to allow concealed carry, short of a guard card or in a law enforcement capacity. However, under 790.253H, a person can lawfully carry a firearm if engaged in fishing, camping, or lawfully hunting, or going to or returning from any of those activities. You would imagine that with such an issue that would cause high stress and potentially deadly situations, officers would be trained to know when the elected rulers allowed their subjects to arm themselves. Unfortunately, that is not the case, and as a result, Lieutenant Hasty finds Solo, runs up to him, and grabs his arm. In her report, she writes that he did not resist as the officers detained and disarmed him.
Stop.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, why you got your hands on me?
Because you're walking with a firearm.
I know. I'm going fishing. Look, I got a fishing pole.
You're not fishing right now.
I know. I'm going to that fishing pier right there.
Okay.
There's a fishing pier. Why do you have your hands on me, ma'am?
Because I'm waiting for backup.
McNasty.
Really?
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to go fishing, and you're stopping me from going fishing.
Okay.
This is against the law.
No, sir, it's not.
Yeah, it is. What is your problem?
You can't be walking down.
I'm walking to go fishing, ma'am. I'm going right to that fishing pier.
Okay.
What's your problem? Excuse me, sir. What are you a sergeant? Who are you?
I'm a lieutenant, though.
Okay. What is your name? Badge number?
Center 9808.
Yours?
Detective Cap 6440.
Okay.
Do me a favor. Let that go, please. Thank you.
Dude, I was just going fishing.
Okay.
But you're not fishing right now, right?
You have to understand the law.
You can't fish here.
I'm not fishing here. I'm going.
Relax.
I'm going.
Sir, you're scaring everybody walking down the
That's
beach
fine.
like this.
Dude, sir, you're throwing my $300 fishing pole in the dirt right now.
I'll pick it up for you in one
No,
second.
yeah, you're going to pay for my $300 fishing pole.
Okay.
I am not fishing here. I am going fishing to the fishing pier. That is where I haven't fished. I haven't thrown a fishing pole. I haven't done anything.
You want to go up to the...
Come on.
We need to
No,
walk up there. Come on.
we're not. I'm not breaking the law. I'm not breaking the law.
Do you think it's appropriate walking
Yes,
around
absolutely.
with an AR-15 on your
Absolutely.
chest, where there's children and everybody on
Absolutely.
the beach? You
Yes.
think that's appropriate?
Yes.
You don't think that's going to cause problems?
I get people might call.
How about we go up there? Okay,
No, I don't
we can
want to go
discuss
call.
things.
901-151. What law did I break? What
Let's
law
go
did?
there.
No. What law did I break? What law did I break?
Listen, there's city ordinances.
I didn't fish here.
Okay.
I'm going to the fishing pier right there.
You walk the entire beach to go to the fishing
I
pier?
can walk
There's
any.
parking right
It's
there at the
going
end of the
to.
pier.
It's going
It'd be
to.
much more accessible.
It's going to and returning from. It doesn't matter where I am trying to go fishing. It's about going to and returning from.
Okay.
I can walk anywhere I want to go trying to go fishing. And I'm literally telling you, I am going to... Dude, you don't have to fucking hold my hand like I'm a criminal.
Relax. Just relax.
I haven't done...
Look, my guy, you got a gun strapped to your chest.
I get it, dude.
And that's why we're doing what we're doing, so relax.
Because I'm not...
Relax. Just
Did
take a
you
deep
swear an
breath.
oath to the
Relax.
Constitution?
100%.
Despite his attempt to reason with Lieutenant Hasty and Detective Kappa, as well as explaining the law to them regarding open carrying while traveling to go fishing, the officers maintain their detention as multiple backup units arrive on scene.
What's the problem with you guys defending your oath to the Constitution of Florida and the United States? What's the problem? Am I lawfully allowed to do what I'm doing? Am I lawfully allowed? I don't care. Am I lawfully allowed to do it? I don't have to listen. Am I lawfully allowed to do what I'm doing? Yes or no? Am I lawfully allowed to do what I'm doing?
Hold on. What's your name? What's your name? Listen.
Am I lawfully?
Listen to us. Just give us a few moments.
I don't need to listen. Am I lawfully allowed to do what I'm doing?
Let me ask you something. You're going fishing, right?
Yes, I'm going to that.
Why do you need an AR-15 to go fishing?
You don't need to know why.
I'm just asking
You don't need to know a reason.
Can you give me a reasonable answer for that?
Yes, I've almost been robbed while I've been fishing.
And you need an AR-15?
I need whatever I need to protect myself.
Okay.
You're just being detained. You're not under arrest.
All right.
Just give us a
What
few
law?
moments.
What law did I break?
We're going to get to the bottom of all that, okay?
What law did
Can you
I
stop
break?
moving for me and just relax for
No.
a minute?
Do you have body cams?
I do. Sure.
Okay. Is it running?
Yes, it is.
Okay. What law did I break?
Just
What
relax.
law did I break? Am I allowed to go fishing while hunting, fishing, or camping? Yes or no, sir? Yes or no?
You seem to know it pretty well.
I know it.
Okay.
I do this across the state of. I know that. I'm going fishing to that fucking fishing pier. You dumb shit.
Okay. Stop. Why you got to be all nasty for it?
What? Why am I in handcuffs? Why are you?
Really detained?
Why are you taking my? I don't
One
consent to
second.
any search
Okay,
or
you're not being
seizure.
searched, but I'm going to take
You're
your weapon
seizing
from
my. You're
No, I'm-
my safety is paramount to yours.
Relax.
Dude, you guys are a bunch of
in the
pieces.
safe place right now.
No,
We're here
I'm not.
to protect you.
No, you're not protecting me. You're stripping me of my rights. Call your state attorney. State attorney. Call your state attorney and see if they want to prosecute a guy walking to go fishing.
Okay.
I'm walking to that fishing pier right now.
Right.
That's where I am going.
Yes.
Okay, so at this point, you are a piece of shit.
We'll do one handcuff. Yeah, I got it. Think outside the box.
Hey, did you swear an oath to the Constitution?
I did.
You're a piece of shit then.
Did you serve, sir?
Don't worry about if I served.
I did.
You guys.
Officer Moore tells Solo that he served in the military, which should only hold him more accountable. His declaration only makes him look even more ridiculous as he removes the weapon sling in the most difficult way possible, as it is affixed with a quick detached swivel.
You guys, why don't you just use the QD mount, dude? Just use the QD mount, because I gotta.
Can you relax? What's your name?
Don't worry about what my name
Okay,
is.
well, I was just going to ask if you could just hang out with us for a little bit.
I don't want to
Relax.
hang out with you. I want to go fishing. That's all I want to do is go fishing. That's all I was doing is going fishing.
Okay.
And I was walking to go fishing.
So you weren't trying to get a reaction out
No,
of people?
I don't.
Walking this entire span of feet for the
It doesn't matter. It's going.
You have an AR-15 strapped to you?
I get what you're trying to tell me, but I'm allowed to do it through the state of Florida.
We need to confirm a few things and then I'll be on your way.
You're
fishing.
Solo reiterates that he does not want to identify or stay with the officers.
I don't know what to call you.
Don't worry about what to call me, dude. I'm lawfully allowed to go where I'm going.
You understand the concern, though?
I don't care about people's concern.
Okay.
I care about your reaction.
The officers eventually bring Solo to their cruiser, and as Solo is placed into the vehicle, Officer Moore inspects his weapon, and despite his military experience, he shows absolutely zero muzzle awareness, and negligently points the AR pistol in the direction of Solo and the two officers handling him.
Don't mess with my... Dude, you're pointing my gun in my direction, sir. And there's one chambered in there. Whatever, dude. Never need to point a firearm at somebody.
The officers huddle up and share some smiles over the encounter, and after a few minutes, they attempt to have him identify again, during which the officer claims he is aware of the law and that they need to determine whether Solo is a felon despite having any reasonable suspicion of criminal activity or probable cause to effect an arrest.
I just stopped up there.
Yeah, get my shit
Listen.
out, dude.
Hey, sir.
You.
Okay. So, will you identify yourself to us?
I don't have to.
Will you have to identify?
I am going to a fishing pier where my fishing license is covered under that fishing pier.
I understand.
I
And
do
listen,
not
you're
have
not.
to identify.
Listen, you're not wrong.
I know I'm not.
Okay.
So where we at?
However,
Where we at? Dude, I'm going to a fishing pier where I'm covered under the law. I do 901-151.
I'm aware of what it is.
901-151. What crime did I commit?
However,
911-1.
Are you going to let me talk?
Nope. Let me out of this car. Give me my stuff back.
We have to verify that you're not a convicted felon.
You don't. The government the federal case law has already proven that I do not need to prove myself until I've committed a crime.
Are you refusing to identify yourself?
I'm not refusing anything. Right now, I am not breaking the law.
Okay, so are you going to tell me who you are?
I am not breaking the law. I've already contacted my lawyer.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, we've
so you're going to get a phone call and saying, hey, release this guy.
Okay. Are you going to identify yourself to us?
Under what law did I break? What law did I break?
Hear me out. You're detained because you're walking around.
What law did I break?
I'm trying to explain to you.
What law?
You're temporarily detained.
What law?
Okay.
What law? What law?
Are you going to identify yourself?
What law did I break? And I will identify myself. Piece of shit.
Solo refused to identify himself as he had not committed a crime. However, because of his live stream, multiple viewers began calling the department to urge them to release him. One of the callers gave his name, and the department ran his information to clear him as a prohibited person, despite lacking a lawful reason to do so.
The guy you have arrested, his name is Michael Taylor. He was an open carry activist in Florida. So just try to get a hold of that officer and get him out of handcuffs.
Finally, after being detained for nearly 45 minutes, the officers realized they had messed up and released Solo with his weapons.
Oh, you're starting to figure it out, huh? Oh, I got ya. It looks like they're starting to get phone calls from people that I know. Oh, here we go.
Hi, Michael, you ready?
Yeah, I've been ready. What's your name and badge number?
Oh, my name's Officer Buse. Do you want me to take those handcuffs off?
Yeah, I want the handcuffs off. What's your name? Spell it for me.
It's right there, BUSA.
Is that what you're going to tell the judge?
Tell the judge what?
Yeah, because
That's my name? Yeah, it's BUSA. It's
and your badge number?
It's 6790.
Perfect. And yours? While you're taking my handcuffs off, what's your name? And spell your name?
DRUMMON.
And your badge number?
308.
You can go ahead and do whatever you got to do. Take the cuffs off, dude. I don't care. I don't care about what you got to do. And what was your badge number? I'm sorry.
308.
Thank you. And hey, what was your name?
Moore.
How do you spell it? How do you spell it?
M-O-O-R-E, just right here.
Yeah, don't point to it because is that what you're going to tell the judge?
Yes.
All right, perfect. And then your badge number?
Can you relax so you can get
Shut up. What's your badge number?
7996.
What happened today?
Your name and badge number?
Michael, we're trying to get the handcuffs off you.
Okay, take the handcuffs off.
You want me to explain to you like
I don't want an explanation because you guys are all a bunch of tyrants. Did you swear an oath to the Constitution and the Florida Constitution of Florida? Did you swear an oath to the Florida Constitution and the state laws that we have here?
Michael.
Did you swear an oath?
I'm talking to you, Michael.
Okay, then perfect.
Off my vehicle.
I just want to, I'm taking my guns, I'm going to reload them.
Can I ask,
everybody, I'm reloading my guns.
Can I ask that you do it over here out of view of the public? So you don't cause concern?
I'm going to reload my guns. If you guys want to walk away while I reload my firearms.
You're on my vehicle, Michael, so I can't go.
Dude, you guys took my sling off, dude. Are you kidding me? All you had to do is take the QD off my... You're a dumb you're a dumb you're a dumb and you're a dumb Alright, after this, you guys can kick the rocks because I gotta fix my sling.
Don't point it at me.
I'm not pointing my gun at you. It's pointed at the ground. You guys are all pieces of shit.
Michael, are you
shut the fuck up.
fishing now?
I was on my way to fishing, you dumb.
Don't get your flag and your fishing pole.
Shut the fuck up. Get the fuck out of here. Every one of y'all can kick the fuck out of here. You piece of shit.
Easy.
You.
Because now you're talking about being disorderly.
I can redress my government.
You're causing people to look at us.
I can redress my government in any way, shape, and form. You, and you. Get the fuck out of here, you pieces of shit. Hey everybody, what I'm doing is lawful. What I am doing is lawful, and they are trying to criticize me and not defending their oath. Bye, bye, bye. Kick the f*** out of here. Dude, until I fix my shit and I can put it back on me in a proper way, you all can kick f***ing rocks, dude.
I'm gonna stand right here, though.
Do not shoot me.
Just re-swing it.
Shut up.
Towards the end of the encounter, Officer Moore says the following,
And that's how you get people to leave Clearwater.
making it clear that their intent was to run Solo out of town. That is also compounded by radio traffic that shows they knew who he was and what he was doing.
I just want to advise you there is a male subject shoreline walking towards Tower 3, appears to be armed, refusing to exit the beach at this time. He's trying to use his Second Amendment right.
Roger.
The officers never found the concealed handgun, appendix carried in an inner waistband holster, but the department investigated Solo for 45 days after the incident, looking for a way to charge him with disorderly conduct because of the way he redressed his grievance about his unlawful detention. Lieutenant Hasty wrote on her report that while Solo was detained, she looked up the statute and found that she was wrong, but claimed in her report that a reasonable and prudent person wouldn't walk around in front of other people with an AR-style firearm, despite swearing an oath to uphold the Constitution, including those pesky First and Second Amendments. Solo has not yet filed a complaint, as it will be filed along with the lawsuit he intends to pursue once his current litigation against Ball Harbor is complete, because if you didn't know, this isn't the first time this has happened. In fact, it seems as though most law enforcers are completely uneducated on the law. The original video for the Ball Harbor incident and his pro se depositions for the corresponding lawsuits will be linked below. I will also be covering an update to that story once it completes. But for now, be sure to head over to his channel and let him know I sent you. I edited down a lot of this video for time, so there's plenty more of the interaction to see. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, LackLuster Limited for criminal psychology content and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.